Good morning, welcome to Maisie Moo. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the Coffin Key Cozy. Cute way to keep your keys safe and snug. Let's get stitching. Right, let's get started. So for this design you need your template pieces. You're also going to need some snaps. You will also require, I'm using a brad. You could use a snap if you wish, but I'm using a brad. I've got a split ring, and that's going to be just to attach your keys to. You could, if you wanted to, use lobster claw. It's up to you, but I'm going to use this today. You need a large-eyed embroidery needle, and I'm just using embroidering floss. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to take up the split ring, and you just want to attach that with your rivet. Now I've got the medium size rivet there from my set, which is I've just got a leather set that I got off Amazon, and it uses just a little hammer to close it off. There we go, so that's nice and firm in there. Next we want to attach the snaps. So this is how it will close. It's going to be closing down. So we want to use there it is. Just attach those quickly. So we've got the one snap here on the end, and the other snap is through a hole which hasn't popped out. There it is. So that's going to be going back the way. Now I'm using black faux leather that is actually a wee bit thinner than what I would normally use. Unfortunately, the solids that I've been using, which are from Polka Dot Peach, which are wonderful for easy stitch, I've run out of black with all of my Halloween creating. But I've got this lovely pattern. I'm not sure where that's from actually, but this is much thicker and more robust, and I'd suggest using something a bit more robust. Okay, so this is your hole that we're going to be pushing this through. Now what probably would have been the sensible thing to do was to do this before. No, it's going to go, there we go. Okay, so you can see that's where your snap goes, and then this side is going to be folded when that folds over, and then your keys are going to be hiding inside. Okay, so let's get stitching. Fold the sides, there we go. Right. Oh, I'm losing my voice. Okay, so this piece is going to be inserted. There we go. Now you'll see there's holes all the way around except for at the bottom on this side here, and that's because obviously we need to keep it open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stitching from underneath so that there we go, so that the knot that is in the end of my floss, see that knot there is going to be hidden inside. And all I am going to do now is I'm just going to work my way across the bottom. Okay, so simply stitching across the base, there we go. Ensure you leave the last hole on the corner free. Alright, so we've stitched this way, and then I'm just going to go back again. So we're going to come back through that hole that the knot was in. There we go. Okay, so what we do now is we simply fold over. We want to tuck it over nice and tight, like this, like so. Make sure those little holes are out. And I'm going to stitch all the way up to the top. Okay, so you can see we've stitched up one side. Now I'm going to actually insert this now because it can be popped through. There we go. And put into place. And then I'm going to continue stitching, getting in the way now. So you'll see you've got 1, 2, 3 stitches, and what I'm inclined to do is take that stitch around. You could do this twice if you want to. What it does is it just tightens everything up a little bit, and then you've got less chance of tearing. I'm going to just go once because it's quite a thick thread that I'm using, and then I'm just going to work my way back down to the bottom. Okay, so you see we've got one last stitch left to do, and I'm going to come out through the front again, and then I'm going to go back through like we did at the top. I'm just going to go around the ear. So you just want to be creating a loop. There we go, just so that it holds the corners together, and then I'm going to come back through. There we go. So I've come out through the 2 layers at the front so that I can hide my knot inside there. Let's just, so I'm going to come through. So see, you've got that loop there. If I come back out and I pull this tight, it will make a wee knot just underneath. There we go. And you do that twice and then we'll trim it off. Okay, so you can see we've gone down one side and then back up the other, and we're going to do exactly the same on this side here. Right, so we've done one side, we're on to the next side now. So what we'll do here is I'm going to take the needle up through the front. We've got our knot there which we're going to be hiding inside again, and then we're just going to stitch around. So we'll just take, so we're through all through 3 layers there. Right, let's work our way up to the top and then back. Okay, so we're coming back down to the end. We're just going to take it through to your last stitch again, right through the other side. And I'm going to take, okay, so we've gone round once and I'm just going to come round one more time, but this time I'm going to take it through the hole gently and bring it up. There we go. That's it. Now I'm on the inside here, and again all we're going to do is make a loop, passing it through those stitches and through those layers, and when you pull it tight it makes a knot underneath. Okay, well there we have it, we're finished. So this simply undoes, and then what you do is you grab your, so you've got your ring there, and that's where we'll attach our keys. And we're all done. So I've attached some keys. You just unsnap this strap at the back, give it a shake, and there they are. Right, I hope you enjoyed creating this, and I look forward to seeing what you create on the Facebook page. Thanks.